Hello everybody, it's the Drawing Pro here. Today we are going to be drawing an Ember Lily. So let's get into it. Okay. First, we are going to... I'm getting straight into it, by the way. Yeah. So first, we are going to want to draw an oval in the middle, just like that. Okay. And I'm gonna do this video blitzen first. I'm gonna do that. So then I went out to the side and down, like not that far apart from each other. And then there. Okay. And now we are going to draw a line here. And this has to be even, like level. Okay. Now we are going to draw sideways in there. Then we are going to mold up. Let me erase that part there. Okay. Now from the side, we're also just going to do that again. And then connect it. So it's basically just a bigger one of these. Go to the side and connect it. Okay, so now that's done. You can draw it there, and there, and then connect it. And you're gonna want to draw a line there. Okay, and then you're just going to finish it out like that. It's a very small little thing, but yeah. Okay, so then it's kind of gonna say the size around the sides, and then in the front it's gonna be that, so it kind of shows the size. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. And then just around there. So now it's gonna be like that. And then you going to do this. And then take. Okay, now okay, so I am going to color it in, and I'm not going to pause it this time. Actually, you know what? I will pause it. Okay, so see you just now when it's time. Yeah. Okay, I'm back, and this is what the final thing looks like. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, you didn't like it. That's that. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.